Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to launch your very own website or online store but not sure how to secure the perfect web address? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to buy a domain right from Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to claim a professional custom domain name so your business can stand out in the crowd. Whether you're just starting or looking to give your site a facelift, this process is super straightforward, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, make your way over to Settings. It's usually found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard, a bit out of the usual path, so take your time to find it. Settings is like your command center for managing all the behind-the-scenes parts of your store, so it's good to get familiar with it. Inside Settings, look for the Domains section. This is where all domain-related magic happens on Shopify. Click into Domains, and you'll see options for connecting or buying domain names. Today, we're focused on adding a brand new custom domain, so look for and click the button that says Buy New Domain. This will take you to the purchasing tool where you can search for your perfect website address. Next, type the name you want for your domain in the search bar. This part is really important, so spend a bit of time thinking about your business name, the words you want in your web address, and what makes it memorable. For example, if your shop is called Bright Petals, you might try brightpetals.com or Bright Petals Store. Hit search, and Shopify will instantly check if your chosen domain is available. Now, sometimes the domain you want might already be owned by someone else. Don't worry, this is super common. Shopify will automatically show you alternative suggestions and other available extensions, like .net, .shop, or even .co. Think of extensions like the neighborhoods of the internet. While .com domains are popular, .store or .shop can be a great choice for an online business. Chat with a friend or jot down a few options if you're undecided. This is a good time to pause and make sure you pick one you'll be happy with. Once you see the domain you like and it says it's available, go ahead and click Buy Now. Just a heads up, this step will prompt you for your payment details. Shopify processes everything securely, so go ahead and fill in your billing info. Typically, domains are billed once per year, and you'll have the option to set up renewal reminders down the road so you never lose your address. After your payment goes through, congratulations. You've just purchased your domain. Shopify will automatically take care of connecting your new domain to your store, so there's no technical setup needed. Your site will now have a professional web address, making it easier for customers to find and trust you. And that's it. Now you know how to buy a domain on Shopify. If you have any questions or want recommendations for choosing a great domain name, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, and be sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.